What can you get here in Valley View, Texas for $575,000? We are about to show you. We are 50 miles away from Fort Worth, Texas, 55 miles away from Dallas, Texas, and you have got to see the inside of this house to understand what it offers. And my friend Denise is gonna show you everything inside. But before we do that, I wanna tell you about the fence. The fence alone, don't tell the seller I'm telling you this, $30,000 just for the fence alone. You gotta come check out this place. It's absolutely beautiful. Denise, take it away and show us all the great things this house does.
Okay, this entire house is a smart home. So everything is pre-wired in this home. You can control everything from a little app on your phone. I'm gonna show you guys this because this is one of my favorite things. Absolutely love this. This is their fireplace. So right here, you can change the color settings. Look, any mood you have. You can change the color for the fireplace. Right here is for color, intensity of color. And then there's a button here where you actually turn on the heater, but it's Texas, it's all hot right now. We're not gonna turn it on. But yeah, right here you can control the temperature. Isn't this cool? So beautiful and girly like me. And then you go to the kitchen. You have this awesome, insane sink. I mean, I think this is any person that loves to cook is gonna love this, especially us ladies, because it has so many compartments inside here to wash your veggies, keep your meat, separate. And it has a little thing right here. I don't have a cup where I would show you, but you literally just put your cup on here and go, and it washes it. Can you imagine that? Clean champagne bottle? I mean, cups. Also, another cool thing about this house, this builder spared no expense. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. You have to use your finger for the door handles. That's how I locked it. Look at that. And then look at this pantry. There's so much space in here. Same. So, good thing is, your toddlers are not gonna get into your stuff very easily. Or if you have company over and they got little kids, they can't easily access the bedrooms and the good stuff. Another cool thing about this home is the bathrooms. So besides this bathroom being completely beautiful, the whole thing is intelligent. It's insane. You can put music on. It's gonna be up here. Oh, there we go. You can listen to music while you're, having your little moment on the toilet or while you're taking a shower. It's insane. And then this bidet toilet is crazy. So it has all the functions on here. You have your little Japan in this home. Another cool thing about this house is in every bedroom, and this is not even the master, guys. This is just probably one of the smallest bedrooms in this home. Their fans are all smart fans. There's a little control. With the control, you can change the light settings so it'll go darker, brighter, however you like. It opens up the fan, and then you can also listen to music from this bedroom. Every single bedroom includes this in this house. You can listen to music from any bedroom, control your fan. This is luxury in the country. Like I said, every ceiling fan. Look at this gorgeous crystal ceiling fan. Also smart. How insane is that? Can you imagine throwing a party out here? This right here is the master bedroom. And as well, look at that crystal chandelier. Smart one with the music. And then look at our master bathroom. Look at this faucet, guys. Isn't this beautiful? I was so tempted. I wanted to feel like I could open it, please. But we can't. Gosh, this is just gorgeous, guys. The builder spared no expense. So if you're looking for luxury in the country, welcome to Valley View.
We hope you have enjoyed this beautiful home. And I got to say it again, you got to come check the inside of this thing out. I was amazed. Denise, I was a little worried when I was driving out here going, wow, we are way out here. But once I got inside and saw the house, I was like, oh, dear Lord, we got to do a really good job to show people what the inside looks like. But more important, you got to come check it out. And what we're seeing here is absolutely gorgeous. The things that we could do back here. But before I go on, if this is your first time on our channel, hit that subscribe button. We want to stay in touch with you. We help people move. I don't care if you're moving in 1 week, 1 year from now, 1 month from now, we're here to help you. Now, back to this. Absolutely phenomenal. Endless possibilities.
Oh my goodness. You could have a pool out here. You can have animals. There's no restrictions, no HOA. It's insane. And this is the perfect spot, I think, to survive the apocalypse. You got luxury, you got comfort, you got land, and you got freedom.
We could dig us a tunnel out here and have an underground house.
I mean, isn't this what Texas is for? It's the land of the free.
Absolutely.
You need some land.